Okay, we've got a great new project. Believe it or not, this is a plastic boat. By the time we've finished with it, fingers crossed it's going to look metal. So it's had 2 coats of primer. Once it's properly dry, we can then put some top coat on it. So as you can see, we've got the actual colour on it now. I didn't mention earlier, but it is made out of HDPE plastic. Okay, our 60% scale model of our plastic board is now ready to go to Quick 2025, and you'll see it on the stand of Formation Plastics.